Here's a clear comparison of two software platforms. An AI voice continues from here. Starting with pricing, TaxZerone follows a fully transparent, pay-per-form pricing model designed for high-volume IRS compliance filing with no subscriptions, no setup fees, no annual licenses, and no contracts. Information returns such as W-2, W-2G, 1,099 and 5,498 are priced on a sliding scale that rewards volume. Small batches start at around $2.49 per form, while large volumes exceeding 1,000 forms drop as low as 59 cents per form. Employment tax filings like Form 941 and Form 941X are priced at $6.99 per return, while Schedule R filings cost $9.99 per return, plus an additional $1 per client. Exempt organization filings begin at $9.90 for Form 990N, with higher pricing tiers for Forms 990, EZ 990, 990PF, and 990T. Optional add-ons include state filing at 99 cents per form, postal mailing at $1.75 per form, and electronic delivery at 50 cents per form. With no minimums, no bundles, and no long-term commitments, TaxZerone allows users to control costs precisely at the transaction level, making expense forecasting extremely predictable, even during peak filing seasons. By comparison, PitBullTax follows a license-based pricing structure designed for tax resolution professionals rather than bulk form filers. A one-time use license costs $215 and is limited to one individual and one business client. The single-user license is priced at $130 and supports unlimited individual and business clients, while the multi-user license starts at $280 for 3 users, with pricing increasing as additional users are added. Over 20 users require direct inquiry. These licenses focus on resolution workflows rather than filing volume and remain fixed, regardless of the number of cases handled. Moving into features, TaxZerone is built specifically for fast, scalable compliance filing. It supports information returns, employment tax forms, exempt organization filings, extensions, amendments, and select business forms. Users can choose between interview-based workflows or direct form-based entry, depending on experience level. Built-in validation checks reduce IRS rejections before submission, and any rejected returns are automatically retransmitted at no extra cost. The platform supports bulk uploads, encrypted data handling, IRS, authorized e-file, long-term document retention, and multi-form batch processing. Pricing automatically scales down as volume increases, making TaxZerone particularly attractive for payroll providers, accounting firms, and organizations filing hundreds or thousands of forms annually. From a pros and cons perspective, TaxZerone's biggest strength is cost efficiency and flexibility. You only pay for what you file. Bulk pricing dramatically lowers costs at scale, and optional add-ons let users control delivery and compliance expenses precisely. The downside is scope. TaxZerone does not offer tax planning, advisory tools, practice management, or resolution workflows. It is a compliance engine focused on execution, not strategy or client case management. Switching to PitBullTax, this platform is designed specifically for tax resolution professionals handling IRS and state tax problem cases rather than compliance filing. PitBullTax focuses on resolution workflows such as offers in compromise, installment agreements, penalty abatement, innocent spouse relief, currently not collectible status, lien and levy resolution, and audit representation. Core features include resolution evaluation tools, detailed client questionnaires, automated case diagnostics, built-in fee calculators, and integrated IRS forms with supporting schedules that guide practitioners through complex resolution scenarios. The platform also includes engagement letters, document request workflows, secure client portals, and centralized case timelines that help firms track progress from intake to resolution. Users can email IRS forms and supporting documents directly from the system, maintain IRS contact lists, store case files securely, and manage all client communication throughout the resolution lifecycle. Multi-user plans support simultaneous logins and shared access, making the software suitable for firms with multiple practitioners collaborating on active cases. From a pros and cons standpoint, PitBullTax's biggest advantage is specialization and workflow focus. It is purpose-built for tax resolution work, helping professionals standardize processes, price cases more consistently, reduce manual diagnostics, and improve turnaround time on complex IRS matters. Fixed license pricing makes budgeting straightforward for resolution firms handling recurring or long-running cases. The downside is flexibility and scope. PitBullTax does not support bulk compliance filing, payroll tax processing, information returns, or high-volume transactional workflows. It is not designed for W-2 or 1099 filing, non-profit compliance, or mass employment tax reporting, which limits its usefulness outside resolution-focused practices or advisory-heavy firms. Looking at ratings, PitBullTax holds a visible Capterra rating of approximately 4.3 out of 5 based on dozens of verified reviews. Users frequently praise its effectiveness for resolution cases, structured workflows, and diagnostic accuracy, while some feedback notes that the platform is highly niche and not suitable for general tax preparation or compliance filing. TaxZerone does not currently display an official Capterra rating, so evaluation should rely on pricing transparency, filing accuracy, scalability, and real-world compliance use cases rather than public review volume alone. As always, ratings should be interpreted in the context of business model and workload type. Final takeaway: if your priority is ultra-low cost, high-volume IRS compliance filing with precise per-form pricing, no subscriptions, and complete cost control, TaxZerone is the clear winner. If your work centers on resolving complex IRS and state tax problems, managing client cases end-to-end, and delivering structured resolution services, PitBullTax is the stronger and more specialized fit. If this breakdown helped, like the video, subscribe for more deep dive software comparisons, and click the link below to explore both platforms and choose the one that best aligns with your compliance or resolution workflow.